In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in Freshdesk. Custom objects let you store structured information that doesn't neatly fit into standard tickets, contacts, or companies. Things like assets, vendors, or subscription records. So your team can reference the right data at the right time. First, log into your Freshdesk account. Open Freshdesk in your browser, enter your usual credentials, and click Login. If your organization uses a single sign-on method, just follow that normal flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your Freshdesk workspace. Next, head to your admin settings. Look to the left sidebar and click the gear icon. This is where all configuration and setup lives, so it's the place you'll return to whenever you need to adjust system-level options. Now, find Custom Objects. Scroll down to the Support Operations section and click Custom Objects. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions or plan, so check with your account administrator. Otherwise, this page will show you any existing custom objects and let you add new ones. To create a new one, click New Object in the top right corner. This opens a clean slate for defining the structure you want. Enter your object details. Start with a clear, singular object name, something your team will immediately recognize. You can optionally add a description to explain what this object represents and how it should be used. This little note can prevent confusion later. Choose an icon that visually matches your object to make it easier to spot in lists and lookups. When everything looks good, click Create to move on. With the object created, it's time to add fields. Click Add Field, then choose the field type that best fits the data you want to store, such as text, number, or dropdown. Keep field names short, descriptive, and consistent so they're easy for agents to understand. Pick formats that match the data you expect, numbers for quantities, text for names, and so on. You can repeat this process to add as many fields as your object needs. Finally, save your work. Click Save to store your custom object and its fields. Freshdesk will confirm that the object has been created, and you'll be able to manage or extend it later if needed. That's it. Your custom object is now ready to support your team's workflows and keep important information organized and accessible. Thanks for watching.